Hey guys, this is Rahul from Gadget and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Linux Mint on VirtualBox in Windows 10 step by step. Step 1. Download Oracle VirtualBox from their official website and install it on your Windows 10. Step 2. Download Linux Mint OS ISO file from their official website. You have 3 editions: Cinnamon, Matte and XFCE. I am going to download Cinnamon edition here. Now choose the location from where you want to download Linux Mint ISO file. Step 3. Now open VirtualBox and click on the new button. Step 4. Give your VirtualOS a relevant name. In my case, I am naming it Mint. Since VirtualBox doesn't have the Mint version, so we will go with Ubuntu 64-bit. Next, you need to allocate the RAM size. I will allocate 3 GB of RAM, but if you want, you can increase the RAM as per your requirement. Here I will go with the default hard disk setting, that is, create a virtual hard disk now and click on create. Here also I will go with the default setting, that is VDI, and click on next. Here you can either choose dynamically allocated or fixed size. Both are good options, but I will go with the dynamically allocated. Now you have to select the size of the virtual hard disk. I will be allocating 20 GB, but you can choose whatever size you want. Just make sure it's more than 15 GB. Step 5. Now select the newly created VirtualOS, that is Mint, and click on setting. Now go to storage, click on empty, which is under the controller IDE. Next, click on the CD icon and click on the option choose a disk file. Now go to the location where you have downloaded Mint OS and select the Linux Mint ISO file and click the OK button. Step 6. Now select the Mint OS and click on the start button. Next, select the optical disk, that is the Linux Mint ISO file, and click on the start button. Step 7. Select Start Linux Mint and press enter key. Step 8. After a few seconds, you will see desktop home screen. Here you have to click on the Install Linux Mint. Now select your preferred language and click on the Continue button. Next, select the keyboard layout. Here I am choosing English US. You can select any other language which you are using right now on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. In the next window, you can choose whether to install multimedia codecs or not. Since I am not going to use Linux Mint as daily driver, so I am ignoring this one and click on Continue button. Here in the installation type window, keep the default setting as it is and click on Install Now button. Here you will just receive a warning which says if you continue the changes listed below will be returned to the disks. I will just click on the Continue button. In the next step, you have to select your location and click on Continue. Now the last thing you have to do is enter your name, computer name, username and password and click on the Continue button. And finally, the Linux Mint OS installation process will begin. Now you don't have to do anything. Sit back and relax and wait for completion of installation. It will take more than 30 minutes to install Mint on VirtualBox. After installation is complete, click on Restart Now. Now make sure the downloaded Linux Mint OS ISO file is removed or else you might see errors. Step 10. Here I need to enter the password which I created during the installation setup and you will be logged into Linux Mint desktop. Now when you click on the maximize button, as you can see, the Linux Mint interface is not maximizing. So what you have to do is click on devices and click on insert guest installation CD image. Now enter the password and click on authenticate. Next, wait for the installation to complete. Now just restart the Linux Mint operating system. As you can see, now you can use Linux Mint in maximize or full screen mode. Well, that's it for now. I hope this video will help you install Linux Mint on VirtualBox in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, then hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.